today I'm going to be doing a fitness sportswear haul. I have just started going to the gym. I haven't actually gone that much, but I wanted to get some cute clothes so that I could start working out and doing that and looking nice, because I feel like it's more motivation to actually go to the gym. So I've actually bought from two sites. I bought from etched.com.au and also bombshellsportswear.com.au. So I've got a few different items that I'm going to show you, but I think it is going to be like more I'll try it on and then we will see what it looks like. Okay, so the first set that I'm going to do, you actually don't have to buy it as a set. You can buy the pieces separately, which is what I did, and then but kept them in the set of what they had on the website, if that makes sense. So I've got these pants, and these are from Etched. They're just these normal, nice black pants. I don't know if it's got the... It just says the Arise series. These are in size small. They are very stretchy, but they do look very short, so we'll see how they go. Everything I got to today is in size small, including the bombshell. And then for the black top that matches the black bottoms is just this simple, nice sports bra, which has a thickish back, which you'll be able to see a bit better. So give me 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the black set. It is this waistband here is like, it's really stretchy, but it is super tight to get over your butt. But I think it's just because it like cinches you in and holds you all together here, so it is like quite like a firm control sort of thing. So at the moment the top feels just a little bit tight around the shoulders, but I just noticed that you can actually do the little strappy things so that it does loosen up a bit, so that'll be fine. I think this top will be really comfy. Overall it's actually super comfy, and I feel like I wouldn't feel awkward going to the gym in this because it just feels comfy. It'll be good when I got a bigger booty and everything's more toned and things like that, but no, it's honestly, it's such a comfy, you could definitely wear it even just at home, and there is no undie lines or anything, so it's really good. Also the length is really good as well. It did look like it was going to be too short, but it's not. It's actually good. I'm happy with it, that's for sure. Okay, so the next set that I have is this grey one. It is from Etched again. The top is this sort of like marbled dark grey, and it just is like an open back. And then these pants feel very similar to what these ones feel like. Just more with like that sort of, not ribbed, but kind of ribbed material in a way, like you can feel it goes across. And these are, I'm not going to say what they are, but I will put all the information down below so that you guys can actually know what type I got. Yeah, so I will put these on and let you know. Okay, so this is the grey set. I actually think I like this more than I like the black one, which is really weird because I really like the black one too. But I feel like this one just feels, I don't know, not as tight, if that makes sense. It's kind of like this isn't as thick on my tummy, if that makes sense, and I feel like the cut of it just looks a lot nicer. What I love about these is they're actually so high-waisted that it doesn't feel like uncomfortable, like they're not sitting at a weird spot in your tummy and then you've got like all the skin showing. Like I actually feel like I would be quite comfortable going to the gym in this, because I think it looks really cute. So what I really like about it is it actually cinches you at the waist, and I feel like it gives you that nice sort of figure. So it just, I don't know, I feel like it definitely does a lot for your figure. That is the back of the top. So I think it actually looks really cute. Like it's very nice. I like it. It's good. Again, the length is also really good as well. So it's a big thumbs up from me. I love it. So comfy. Okay, so the next set I have is kind of similar to both actually. It's kind of like an in-betweener of both. The top of this one is the same as the black. So while we're here, let's just undo these a little bit, because I don't want the same thing to happen last time and I couldn't get it on. Alright, so that is exactly the same as the black one, but the fabric is more similar to this grey one. It's just a pinky colour in it. The pants again, all the pants are very similar, so except I think this one's going to be like the black one because the band here is bigger than this one again. So I think it will be more similar to the black, but the fabric is more similar to this one, if that makes sense. Let's get these ones on. Yeah, this one is definitely the same as the black with putting on your pants. My butt just doesn't fit. Oh my god. This is like a bloody workout, just trying to get these pants over my butt and my hips. Oh. Okay, it's done. Okay, the set is on, and that was a struggle and a half. This band, as you can see now on this fabric, because it just shows it a bit more, that it is so thick and like sturdy, like it literally holds your tummy. Your tummy won't be going anywhere. But it is so hard to get over your bum and your hips that it's like a workout without even having to go to the gym. You just put your gym clothes on and you're puffed already. Holy moly. Okay. So I actually love this one too. I think the colour is just so pretty. Like it is such a nice, it's such a nice colour. It feels really good on. It does not feel uncomfortable or anything. I feel like all these tops too are really nicely padded on your boobs. So it's like not much at all. It's just like one of the cups that you can stick in and out of your like bather tops or whatever. But it doesn't, I feel like it doesn't make your boobs look squished or flat or anything that some sports tops can do. Like I feel like it just makes it look mold nicely around your boobs, which is what every girl wants. You don't want to, well not every girl, but it's what I want if I'm going to go there. I don't want to have squished up boobs when my boobs get so sore anyway. So I think it's very good. I'm actually not sure which one's my favourite. I really like this one and I really like the grey. And I also really like the black, but I feel like it's between this one and the grey that is actually my faves. I don't know, again though, there's no booty line, so it works really, really well. Okay, so this was the last set from Etch.com. The next two items that I'm going to show you are from bombshellsportswear.com.au. So I will show you those now. So these ones actually aren't a set, but the way they had it on the model, I thought it looked really good together. So that is why I decided to get both of them. Plus, I feel like these two items are items that you can wear and shuffle around with like most sportswear stuff, because they're just kind of like a simple sort of style. Now I'm puffed. Sorry, it's hot in here. Okay, we got this. Alright, so the first item I'm showing you is this white top. It does have a second layer in it that holds your breasts just a little bit more for small. Let's have some smalls. Okay. For some more support on your boobsicles. So that is what that is. It is in, again, a size small, and it is just a simple cross over the back top. It's actually really nice material too. It feels really soft. Okay, and now the bottoms are again a size small. They are the Lily Bod. They look like this. They're not a full length. They kind of cut off just like probably about that much above your ankle, I guess, depending how long your legs are. My dog's going bonkers. Puppies! Oh my god. Okay, so these are the pants. They do have just some nice little detailing on the leg, which is just striped and it goes around the whole leg. At the waistband, it is just these two brown lines. So it's actually kind of got nice like simple detailing that you just wouldn't really think about, and they feel like a really nice sort of like spandexy material. So I will put that on and show you guys. Okay, so I think I have found my favourite set. So the difference from these two items to the etched is the etched is definitely a lot more tighter in the way that I think it is like trying not to show any lumps and bumps. So in that like way, it is very good because it does feel like more supportive on your tummy and your boobs and things like that. So it's just a bit more like together than it will having the flabs roll around. So I could definitely lounge around in these. They feel so comfy. I am so happy with how they fit. They just feel like, I don't know, they feel so nice on. So I really like the top. I feel like the top makes my boobs look good, which is always a bonus. But it's just a really nice fit, and the back is like a crisscross. So you can see all that. The pants fit so nice. I love the length of them. Even the top, I love how long it goes, and I love how high the pants go because I feel like it just is a lot more flattering, maybe, is what I'm thinking of. They're a really nice length. They're not too long and not too short. So, plus I really like this white bit. I think it looks really cool. But yeah, no, it's super, super comfy. And again, there's no panty lines or anything, it's not see-through, so that is always a bonus. So this set is from Bombshell Sportswear, which definitely would recommend. So they're all on the pricier side, but I don't know, I feel like with sportswear you need to kind of get the maybe just a little bit better stuff so that it holds in the sweat and holds you in the right places and things like that. It is pricey, but I feel like they're all really, really good quality. Like everything just felt really good and thick, and like it didn't feel like it was a cheap sort of made stuff. But no, so this, yeah, I would definitely recommend everything I've got. So thank you for watching. If you would like to see any more sort of videos like this with the hauls of clothes or something like that, then let me know. I also have my puppies with some videos with me, so if you have any ideas that I can film with my doggies, then let me know. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!